In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the polygon effect on Higgsfield AI, so you can see how the effect takes place, where the person just turns to a static polygon statue or something. So okay, yeah, this is the subject's body shifting to low poly geometry, blocky, abstract, and digital. So this is very nice, and if you want to create this kind of effect, it's very simple. First step, go to Higgsfield AI, sign in. Second step, click on visual effects. Third step, just go and select the polygon effect, and fourth step is to click on generate in this area to create your own beautiful polygon effect for your video project. So once you're on this page, just upload your picture, describe your prompt. You can always use ChatGPT for this. Select your model. There are so many models to choose from. Select any of them that suits you, but I like going for this because this is fast and then it's 3 seconds long. But if you want longer ones, you can go for the ones that have more seconds here. So we have this has 5 seconds, this has 5 to 10, 6 to 10. So it just depends on what you want to generate. But once you are done, you can just go out to click on generate and your video will be rendered in this area. Then you can click on download to download your video to your device. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day and please subscribe to the channel.